Now, inspired by the Smart Display experiences, we've also been working to reimagine the Assistant experience on the screen that's with us all the time, our mobile phones. So I'm going to give you a sneak peek into how the Assistant on the phone is becoming more immersive, interactive, and proactive. So we're going to switch to another live demo. Hey Google, tell me about Camila Cabello.
According to Wikipedia, Carla Camila Cabello Estrabao is an American singer and songwriter.
So as you can see, we're taking full advantage of the screen to give you a rich and immersive response. Here's another. Turn down the heat.
Sure, cooling the living room down.
And for smart home requests, what you can see here is we're bringing the controls right into your fingertips. And here's one of my favorites. Hey Google, order my usual from Starbucks.
Hello, welcome back to Starbucks. That's one tall, non-fat latte with caramel drizzle. Anything else?
So no thanks.
And are you picking that up at the usual place?
So I'm going to tap yes.
Okay, your order's in. See you soon.
Yeah. So we're excited to share that we've been working with Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, DoorDash, Domino's, and many other partners on a new food pickup and delivery experience for the Google Assistant. We have already started rolling some of these out, with many more partners coming soon. Now, rich and interactive responses to my requests are really helpful, but my ideal assistant should also be able to help in a proactive way. So when I'm in the Assistant now and swipe up, I now get a visual snapshot of my day. I see helpful suggestions based on the time, my location, and even my recent interactions with the Assistant. I also have my reminders, packages, and even notes and lists organized and accessible right here. I love the convenience of having all these details helpfully curated and so easy to get to. Now, this new visual experience for the phone is thoughtfully designed with AI at the core. It will launch on Android this summer and iOS later this year.